Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bosses. Today, we're going to teach you how to change a tire. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we need to take off the oil brake. As shown in the video, disassemble the bolts one by one. I recommend that you sort the bolts while disassembling them, so that you don't accidentally install them in the wrong place and lose them. Okay, next, lift off the bolt cover protector. Continue loosening the bolts. The same applies on the left side. Separate the motor and rear swing arm. You can use a tool to hold the valve core to release the air. Next, remove the brake disc and separate the tire from the motor. Take out the tire you want to replace. And then use a ratchet strap to tighten the tire. This will expand the inner diameter of the tire so that it fits over the motor. Cut the ratchet strap with scissors. After completing this step, you are just one step away from winning the challenge. Now, start reattaching the bolts one by one. Make sure to tighten them properly, otherwise, there may be some safety risks. Finally, inflate the tire and you're done. Okay, bye. See you next time.